Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode. Well, actually no, it's a new series on this YouTube channel. We are doing another project bike. So just as a little bit of a background, I've actually been looking for a new project bike since I finished Ruffian, which was my last project that you can find pretty much there. There was a few bikes here and there, but I wasn't able to get any of them. Then my dad kind of started feeling sorry for me. He has a couple of project bikes knocking around his garage that he hasn't had time to get to, so I have been given one of them to work on. So I just need to go and push it from his garage, my garage, because obviously it's not driving, and we're going to work on it. So let's go and do that now.
Hold me close till I get up.
Oh, it's really heavy, and the front wheel is completely flat.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
We'll go wheels and tires first. So there is a massive crack running right from down there to up there, and also some splitting around the edges of this front tire, so that's definitely going to need changing. It's flat. The actual shiny isn't looking too bad. It's a bit dirty. There's no damage on it, so I think those will clean up pretty nice. Oh, spiders, many spiders. Front disc is looking okay. It's not too scratched, it's not too worn. Again, that probably just needs a really good clean. Brakes are not attached, I don't think. Yeah, because there's no brakes rolling in. So obviously that's going to need sorting out. Oh! Back brake works though. Moving. So that's cool. Okay. Cable is definitely going to need changing. There's also no clutch lever. It just kind of stops. Let's see what we got going on here. I think it broke off. Ah, spider! Oh my god! The spider just jumped out of it. Nah, back away, back away. Moving on to the other side. Cables again, I'm not touching it. Cables again. They're gonna need changing. This is just dirty. But there's a nice big dent right in the top of it. I'm not sure if you can see that in this light. It's really dented. It's really pitted as well. It's a shame because the colour's really nice. Forks. There is not looking like much leakage, which is great, although there's a bit of like thick dirt on there. It may have leaked and leaked out, but we can check those. Front headlamp isn't damaged, but it's got some weird kind of tapey on it. Peel that off, I guess. Scraped and scratched. Whoever put the tape on there decided to match it up here. Beautiful spider web. I think someone's... Yeah, that's not too great. Ew. Yeah. Will that now come off? Yeah, okay, obviously. That was kind of obvious. There was no damage to the bike itself, like there's no crash damage or anything. It just slowly stopped working and then just got parked up. It was a timing issue with the bike, and it's just been sat since then. It doesn't explain why this side of the engine is open, because this has nothing to do with timing. Toast. Both front and back on both sides. There's even a different one on here. That one's not too bad. Goes to the rest of the handlebar. It is in pretty good condition. The handlebar itself is not too bad. It's still shiny all the way. There aren't any scratches or major gouges are out or anything like that. That spider seems to have vanished. I don't know where it's gone, but I think it's safe now. So the horn, the left and right turn signal, and also the high and low beam buttons are all okay. None of them are broken. Still work. We'll have to wire them. Oh my god, there's the spider. On the headstock, the physical lights are okay. None of them are cracked. You can also see all the labels on them as well. The only kind of clocks that you had was your speedo with your kilometers an hour. We've done how many miles? Is this miles or kilometers? It'll be kilometers then. To check how long that is in miles. Is that far? Then you'll have your little indicator lights that'll come up on there. It's not terrible, but it has got some kind of like denting all the way around. The face on it is okay. Moving on to the back wheel and tyre, again the alloy looks really strong. It looks really good, it's just a bit dirty. It's going to need some cleaning, same with the drum as well. That tyre has held air since it got here, unlike the front one which has just slowly gone down, plus it's got that massive crack in it. So the rear tyre is looking okay. The thread on it is pretty decent too. So yeah, that's all good. Bodywork, it's got a bit of a crack in it. It's all scratched as well. This I think was like a plastic piece, so don't know if that will be fixable. Probably have to buy a new one. This side as well, we're also missing the light. Loads of spider webs. The rear chain guard is actually pretty good, and it's got all of the information stickers still on it, the original ones. That's pretty cool. Wiring is a mess. Why do I always get bikes that wiring is just crazy spaghetti? Let's take the seat off so we can see. How does the seat come off now? Oh, we'll just slide it forward. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's definitely going to need reupholstering and also re-sponging, because I think maybe mice might have eaten it. And then the seat just kind of fell apart. The leather's gone really old and dry and cracked and fallen apart, and it's ripped all at the seams. That is going to need changing. Whoa. So underneath you can see what colour it would have been. It's like a shiny, it would have been like a nice metallic blue. That's what colour the bike would have originally all been in. It's a really nice colour. It's actually quite nice when it's shiny and not scratched, like the tank. Wiring. Let's carry on with the wiring anyway. We have, oh yeah, that came out real easily. All the wires to absolutely everywhere have been chopped. Bits that should have been wired in, that all just, everything is just completely cut and scattered to pieces. Nothing joins to anything. This is the wiring loom. There's all the plugs with nothing to plug into. Things have been like just chopped randomly. I was looking for the CDI, but I haven't found it yet. There's still a bit of some string just kind of tied onto there. Nice. It's the wires. These would have been the wires that went into, these are the wires that went into the headlamp. I can pull it, you can see. But obviously there's no headlamp, so the wires are just kind of sat there. That would have been your key to lock your panniers, your bags and stuff. But there's no keys yet. Let's see what else we've got. You can see inside there some of the tubes are not connected. Completely dented and scratched and scraped. More wiring. I think we're going to have to go through and do a full wiring from start to finish, connect absolutely everything. If we don't find a new wiring loom, we might have to buy a new wiring loom so we can plug everything in. That should be plugged in. This is the cable that goes to the spark plug. It should be plugged in, but it's not. Okay, so we've got the exhaust as well. That is not in the greatest shape at all. It's scratched and pitted and gouged out and no longer shiny all the way up. I don't know if the bike was maybe dropped a few times and it fell on this. Someone's had to go and welded it back. Yeah. Let's check the other side. So you can see how it should have looked. Sort of. It's still not in great condition, obviously, but on this side it would have been more protected. It should all be like that, not deformed like that. The covers are doing better. So yeah, that's the exhaust, and that is the bike. I'm pretty excited to work on it. There's a box with a few parts in it. It might have the case for that. I'm really hoping it does. Also, maybe the CDI might be in it. I'm kind of hoping the key will be there as well. I know I'm gonna have to buy another one anyway because there's no ignition barrel, but it's just I don't really want to damage the tank anymore trying to get this off. We shall see. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that is it for this video. So I'll be working on this bike as like a weekend project. So videos will be fortnightly on a Friday. So the next video will be in 2 weeks from now. If you cannot wait till then and you want to see more stuff, then you can check out our socials. I'll link my social in the description as well as my dad's social. This daily rider is a 1050 speed trickle. So next episode we will definitely start looking into problems with the bike. We'll probably start with either the timing issue or working out why the clutch side is open. One of those two. So yeah, some exciting things to come. I will see you in the next episode. Bye! I don't know, the spider! Okay, I've been brave enough. I'm going now. Bye!